Camp Destination is a fun, immersive experience for our Mansfield ISD students during the summer.
The best thing I like about Camp Destination is because I can make so many friends.
I love Camp Destination because I can go on field trips.
I like that I go on field trips and I like the fun classes.
What I love most about Camp Destination is that I get to meet new people on all of the field trips.
So at Camp Destination, we theme our weeks here, and this week is all about animals. We had a zoo come to our campus, and then to finish the week off, we came here to the Fort Worth Zoo to experience our local animals at Fort Worth Zoo.
So basically we've been learning about new animals, and we've been seeing what animals that we might see and what we can't see. But most of all, we've been learning about the new animals.
The kids are excited to see the new sloth out here. They have a brand new sloth exhibit, so they were super excited to get to see the sloth.
I really like animals, so I'm looking forward to see the animals and the experience with my friends.
I hope to see at the Fort Worth Zoo probably the hippos because of how big they are.
Definitely seeing some new animals because I've only been there one time. Probably the monkeys and the orangutan, because our teacher showed us a video of the orangutan and it looked really cool.
I'm looking forward the most to see a jaguar. The reason why I want to see a jaguar is because of how pretty they look.
I'm looking forward to seeing new animals and having fun there and exploring different parts of the zoo.
We hope the kids get this fun summer experience that they've always dreamed of, and we love taking them on field trips.